Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys have an amazing day today. For today's vlog, my son and I will replace the existing um, SXT air dam with a new Scat Pack air dam on his Dodge Challenger. So this is a DIY, do-it-yourself, uh, step by step on how to replace one of these. And yeah, if you guys can stay with us and show you how to uninstall and install a new one. So we have a little bit of preparation that we need to do. My son is under the car already, looking at what first thing that we need to do. I think he figured it out. So I think we need to take all those bolts off and then drop the existing one, and we are going to install this new Scat Pack air dam. Let's go. So right now the Dodge Challenger has been raised. That way we can work underneath the car for easy access to the existing air dam.
Yeah, my dad is taking off those bolts right there.
Yeah, there is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 bolts under the existing one. So we need to take all this out in order to drop it. So yeah, all the screws are taken out. So now we're gonna take these screws or rivets on this side. Yeah, in order to get the bumper out from the car, you need to take all these screws, and the tools that we need is you make sure you have a small screwdriver, flat screwdriver, Phillips head, and a flat head.
Yeah, we need to take this part off. The what's it called? Rain shield or something? Rain guard, for better access to the air dam over here.
Taking out the bumper, you need to make sure you're gonna take this plastic cup in here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plastic cups, and there is a another nut that you guys gonna lose, and the same thing on the other side. Okay. All right, bumpers of the Challenger taken out. So basically we need to take all these screws that attach to the existing air dam. So we're gonna take them all. And then,
we can put the new one in.
All right, guys. This is the old air damp on the Challenger. So we will install the new one in. And then. All right, we got the new one in. So the next step is we need to install the bumper on a car. So let's do it. All right, guys, this is it. That's the new air dam. Looks very nice, very cool. Alright guys, this is a wrap. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye.